What has melatonin, and we all know that melatonin basically is the hormone that your brain, your pineal gland excretes when you go to sleep. But what has melatonin got to do with your eyes? Now, hi, my name is Jan van Zyl, and today we will be talking about melatonin and how it directly affects your vision and your eye health. Your melatonin is not just excreted in your brain, it's also excreted in your retina. I found that quite incredible when I first did the research about this, simply because I've been struggling with sleep a long time and I wasn't aware of actually how much at risk I was for age-related vision problems, simply because I suspect that my melatonin doesn't work properly. Now, if you have a reduced secretion of melatonin, it can lead to long-term problems with glaucoma. It might lead to your vision being poor. It might lead to macular degeneration. So in the eye specifically, melatonin is very, very important to maintain a good ocular eye health. Melatonin also regulates your retinal circadian rhythms. Blue screens and the fact that we are looking at screens literally until the moment we go to sleep, that certainly can lead to disrupted sleep patterns, and it can also cause eye health problems. Some of the latest research says that you might want to consider using a melatonin supplement, because that might literally reduce your eye pressure naturally. Melatonin is also a very, very strong antioxidant which the body excretes and which your eye excretes as well, that protects your retina. Melatonin production is very important as you grow older, and certainly it's something that you should consider doing if you are at risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, or if you are maybe at risk of developing glaucoma. Alternatively, like me, you might just not be sleeping well for